The late labor icon Cesar Chavez facing serious sexual abuse accusations. The New York Times reports Chavez groomed and sexually abused girls who worked within the movement. Now, according to the article, one of the victims was 13 years old. Also, Dolores Huerta, who co-founded with Chavez the association that later became the United Farm Workers Union, told the New York Times that he had raped her as well. Let's bring in local attorney Michael Ream to talk more about the legal implications surrounding these allegations. Michael, glad you're here with us today. Very serious thing going on here. So these assaults allegedly happened 50 years ago. If the victims that have come forward, aside from Dolores Huerta, the younger girls, what legal options would they have at this time?
I mean, they'd all have a potential civil lawsuit, even the one that was an adult when the incident occurred. Right now, based on when those incidents occurred, they would have until they were 40 years old to bring a lawsuit, or within 5 years of discovering the psychological injury that was connected to the incident.
So if the victims come forward and do file some type of a lawsuit, would they go after the Chavez family estate? Would the United Farm Workers Union be liable for any of this?
Yeah, the UFW will probably be the main target, to be quite honest with you. I don't know the specifics of his estate. I don't know if there's even an estate in existence at this point. I think he passed around 30 years ago. So you would have to file a motion in court to open up the estate, take a look at what is still there, if anything is still coming in, if any of the funds could be traced to the estate. But regardless, the UFW will have insurance from that time frame. They have significant assets at this time as well. And it's just like a church or a school situation where they're going to be liable for negligent supervision, negligent hiring, negligent retention, potentially for covering up the incident as well, if there's evidence of that, which it does appear from the article there could be. So that would be what they call treble damages, which is actually 3 times the amount of damages if you can show a cover-up.